Hello, boys and girls. It was so good to see you in the morning, and I hope that you have checked the literacy video in the Schoology folder. We talked about letter Z and the sounds and some new vocabulary of letter Z. So if you haven't checked it, please go and check in literacy folder too. And now I'm going to talk about some math concepts. So today we are going to learn. Our learning intentions are: I will be able to rote count to 30, and I will be able to count by tens. And then your success criteria is like, what can you do? I can count to 30 without skipping a number, because it's very important when you start counting. Do not skip a number. So we're going to do that. And I can count by tens by doing jumping jacks. Okay, so that's a little different, but then let's talk about the first one. I can count to 30 without skipping a number. So what you can do is like, I like to count while I am clapping. So what you can do is like, maybe you can clap, or maybe you can hop, or you can tap, or you can touch your nose. So any action you like to do while we are doing our rote counting. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. So now you can count all the way to 30 or even more. If you know more than 30, that's okay too. So, but for all the way till 30 without skipping a number. And you can do anything. Maybe you can, as I told you earlier, you can do maybe big steps, baby steps, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so now we're going to count by tens, because our next success criteria or learning intention was, I will be able to count by tens. And this counting by 10, we're going to go all the way to 100. I can count by tens by doing jumping jacks. So I'll be sitting, or I'm doing jumping jacks, and I want you to stand up and do a little jumping jacks. Are you all ready? Okay, let's do it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. See, we count by tens all the way to 100. Okay, so I am going to ask you few questions. I'm going to show you some numbers and see if you remember your numbers. So let's see. And I do not have the number cards at home. They are at school. So what I did, I use my playing cards, and these are Ono cards that I play with my family. And just, I'm gonna see if you can recognize the numbers. What number is that? Good job. It's a, if I don't remember, I'll just recall and say 1, 2, 4. What number is this? 4. Good job. Can you show me your 4 fingers? 4. Do you see? 4 fingers, and this number card is 4. So that's 4. Okay, let's do another one. What number? You all know that. Good job. It's 1. Okay. What number? I can hear you shouting out. 5. Good job. Let me see your 5 fingers. 5. Do we need to count? You all know we have 5 fingers on our hand. Yes, like we say, high five. So you're giving me 5. Good job. Okay, now, what number is this? Yep, I heard you. You're screaming, Miss Iqbal, we know this number. What number is this? Yes, 10. And how do you make 10? Remember, we just did 5. 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, let's count if you are not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. 10 looks like this on our hands. 10 look like this in the number form. And I have to show you something now that you reminded me of, remember? So when you go to Schoology, you will see that I put a discussion question. I'm asking you, what is your favorite flower? So I put mine, and my favorite flower is star jasmine. And I put a picture over there too, because I just love the sweet smell of a star jasmine. And guess what? I have a star jasmine in my backyard. So I went today, and I'm going to show you later on because I'm still waiting for them to bloom fully so I can show you. I'm going to take you to my backyard. But for right now, I plucked 2 flowers. This is a star jasmine, and I plucked 2 flowers. So now you can see, I'm going to put one down, and I'm going to show you this one closely, and you can count how many leaves does a star jasmine have. Let me count with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many leaves? 5. Okay, so if one jasmine has 5 leaves, and this one has 5 leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me, how many are these all together? It's just like our hands. 5 and 5. 5 and 5 makes 10. Good job. So it's like 5 and 5. 5 and 5. 5 and 5. So 2 flowers have 10 leaves. So today you're going to do that assignment. You're going to go on the Schoology page, and you're going to record what is your favorite flower. And if you can find a picture of that, that would be great. So I can see what is your favorite flower. Okay, so boys and girls, let's continue with our numbers. What number? Yes. 3. Good job. Okay. What number? We just had that number. 4. Beautiful. What number is this? And again, if you do not know, or you hard time recalling, you can just quickly count in your head because you all are familiar with this number. So you can see 7. Yes, this is 7. What number is this? What comes after 7? 8. What number is this? This is, it does look like 6, but it is a 9. And we write 9 in different ways. So this is one way of writing 9. We again have 10. Okay. And now what number? That was 9, remember? This was 9. You see the difference? This is 9 and this is 6. Good job. What number is this? 8. Excellent. I got this number again. 7. So what you can do is, boys and girls, now that I'm done with all these numbers and I'm not doing more than 10 for right now, but gradually I'll add some more numbers too. So you can find some numbers at home, maybe in the calendar, and continue with your road counting while pointing to the calendar. And this is April, this is the month of April, and you can go use a pencil or a pointer. I sometimes use a pencil, so you can use a pencil to point to the numbers, and you can say the numbers and make sure you are pointing to the right number when you are saying the name. That way you will know and recognize the numbers correctly. And we'll get back to you tomorrow again. And then the one who could not join in today, you can see this video in my math folder, because this was the math lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. And do more and more jumping jacks, counting your numbers. I'm really excited to see you tomorrow. By then, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.